Welcome back everyone to the Visvim Pioneer channel. My name is Brian and today we're going to be taking a closer look at some of Visvim's crash shirts. So for those of you that don't know, Visvim crash shirts are typically processed and damaged to look like they've been lived in for quite some time. So typically Visvim's crash iteration of items command a slight premium over their regular counterparts. This is mostly due to the labor cost of getting these garments to look the way they do, whether it's through hand distressing, hand stitching, things of that nature. So the first shirt we're going to be covering is the latest ICT Pioneer shirt. This is the Hickory iteration that just released. This Pioneer shirt utilizes a Hickory denim material, and Hickory is pretty much, described as that white and blue striped denim iteration. So my understanding of Hickory denim is that it's inspired by railroad workers and carpenters, and it's just traditional American, workwear fabric. This shirt is on the lighter side, so you can definitely wear it in the spring and summer months. The seams on the shirt have a little bit of selvedge, so that's, a nice little detail. And the processing on this shirt is really cool. In addition to providing that workwear aesthetic, when I look at it for too long, it kind of reminds me of old pajamas. Just something to note. Overall, this shirt is extremely comfortable, and I'd like to show you guys a look of it up close. Starting things off with the ICT Pioneer, this shirt is honestly one of my favorites at the moment. The Hickory fabric that's seen throughout is honestly really nice to look at, and the repair details that can be seen throughout the collar, throughout the sleeves, and the body of the shirt really show the hand distressed and the handmade nature of this garment. The buttons also offer a nice touch because they're like an ivory white in color, and they complement the fabric extremely well. I think a cool thing about this garment as well, that you could almost feel the variation in the fabric. There's like some parts of this shirt that have been sanded down, and you can feel the distressing throughout. The hand stitch details on the collar are honestly really impressive as well. Throughout the body, you can see a little bit more variation on the color between the stripes. Red selvedge is shown here, and you can also see some of the patches that have been done on the interior of the shirt. The back is a little less damage processed. The shoulders are slightly lighter than the body, but otherwise no major repairs back here. So next up we have the 2024 iteration of the Social Sculpture crash shirt. This is obviously inspired by traditional Western shirts. You have the yoke detailing that you would have on these garments. In the past, Visvim has made this shirt mostly to be a slim fit, but this 2024 release is a lot roomier, and it fits more like the lumber shirt, which is why I decided to pick this one up. I just love the traditional American details on this. The snap buttons, the yokes are really cool and kind of a nice accent to an otherwise regular denim shirt. I don't know if you guys are into watches and accessories, but I typically put on a watch before I put on the rest of my clothes. And the issue with that is that sometimes it gets snatched right there, and so the elbow has become a little bit more blown out than it otherwise would be. Just something to consider if you're thinking about picking this shirt up. But with that being said, let's go over some of the details and show you all a close-up look of this shirt. The Social Sculpture crash shirt probably has the most repairs done between all the shirts that I'm going to be showing today. The Western style yoke is my favorite part of this shirt, and the damage processing and repairs that have been done on both sides are a nice touch. Throughout the body, you also have some damage processing and this really large repair towards the left side of the shirt. You have damage processing on both sleeves with a denim patch on one end, and the American snap buttons are a very nice touch to this shirt. It offers like a luxurious look while still incorporating that Western style. This might be a little harder to notice, but the interior of the shirt is a gray selvedge denim. You can also see some of the repairs that have been done on the inside as well. So for the last shirt we'll be showing today is one of my personal favorites. This is the Crash Pioneer shirt from 2022. So this one's actually pretty interesting because the fabric composition is 92% cotton and 8% silk. The material composition gives it a very unique appearance. It kind of has these stripes, kind of similar to like a chambray shirt, but the fabric itself is like just the most lightweight cotton that I personally own. I use this shirt a lot in the summertime because it's just extremely flowy, extremely lightweight. The fabric is really what makes this shirt special, and there's so many details to go over. So with that being said, let's take a closer look. The last shirt of today is going to be the Crash Pioneer from 2022. This one is honestly a sleeper. You can see processing and repairs throughout the body of this shirt, but because of the slight changes in color, it's a lot more subtle than some of the other shirts that I've shown today. And I think that that's what's nice about this shirt. The details are more for the user experience rather than to show it to everyone. The repairs on this shirt are extremely subtle. There's not as much color variation on here, which honestly makes it a shirt that you can wear to the office or wear a bit more casually than you otherwise would. I really appreciate, all the comments and feedback that you guys leave. So if you have any questions on these particular items or just want to talk about any Visvim items, please feel free to reach out and I'll make sure to follow up. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.